Hello and welcome everyone. I'm your science teacher Himlata Chandolia, class 8. Today we are going to discuss the question answers exercise part of chapter number 16, that is light. As we already had discussed this chapter in our previous two videos, so it will be very easy for us to discuss the question answer. So let's begin today's video with question number 1. So students, question number 1 is, suppose you are in a dark room. Can you see objects in room? Can you see objects outside the room? Explain. As we know that to see anything, light is must, because due to the reflection we are able to see the things. Clear everybody? So we have to write, if we are in a dark room, then it is not possible for us to see objects in the room because it is dark. और जब darkness है, light नहीं है, तो light reflect नहीं होगी किसी भी object से, और light ही reflect नहीं होगी, तो it is not possible for us to see the things. Clear everybody? Okay. However, objects outside the room are visible to us if there is light. Clear everyone? An object becomes visible when light reaches our eyes after being reflected from the object. If there is no light in the room, then the object inside the room cannot reflect any light. Hence, we cannot see in a dark room. If there is light present outside the room, then we can see the objects outside the room. Is it clear everyone? Move to the next question, and next question is, differentiate between regular and diffuse reflection. Okay, does diffuse reflection means the failure of the laws of reflection? So there are two questions. First we have to differentiate between regular and diffuse reflection, और हमें पता है कि जब भी हम differentiation करते हैं, we always prepare a table. So first we have to make a table, and by making table we will differentiate. So the first difference between regular and diffuse reflection is, first one, it takes place on a smooth surface. Yes, for regular reflection we need smooth surface. It takes place on rough surface. Clear everybody? Second one, it has all the reflected rays in parallel. Clear? It will be more clear with the help of diagram. Reflected rays are not parallel in diffuse reflection. Clear? Reflected rays are in one direction, and here reflected rays are scattered in different direction. Have a look here, as we already had studied that for the regular reflection we need a smooth surface. So students, here is a smooth surface, और जैसे ही light incident होती है, strike करती है यहाँ पर, it will reflect. Clear? और ये जो reflection होता है, it is parallel. Clear everybody? Have a look here. And but here where the surface is not smooth, here only the diffuse reflection takes place. Clear everybody? So I hope the difference between diffused and regular reflection is clear. अब हम बात करते हैं second question की, जिसमें हमसे पूछा गया था, क्या जो diffused reflection है, it means that it is the failure of the law of reflection? Not exactly. Clear everybody? So diffused reflection is not due to the failure of the laws of reflection. Move to the next question, and next question is, mention against each of the following whether regular or diffuse reflection will take place when a beam of light strikes. Justify your answer in each case. Here we are having so many cases. अब हमें ये बताना है कि यहाँ पर जब भी light strike होगी तो कैसा reflection होगा, रेगुलर रिफ्लेक्शन होगा या डिफ्यूज रिफ्लेक्शन होगा. अब हमें ये चीज़ पता है कि जब सरफेस स्मूथ होता है तो कौन सा रिफ्लेक्शन होता है? यस, रेगुलर. एंड जब सरफेस अनइवन होता है, रफ होता है, देन इट इज diffuse reflection. So one by one we will give our answer with reason. Okay, so the first one is polished wooden table. देखो polished surface है, इसका मतलब कैसा है? Smooth है. That means कैसा होगा यहाँ पे reflection? Regular reflection. Okay, a polished surface is an example of a smooth surface. A polished wooden table has a smooth surface. Hence, reflection from the polished table will be regular. Okay. The second one is chalk powder. Everybody had seen the chalk in the school. So student, when you crush the chalk and when it become in the powder form, have you ever touched that chalk powder? So student, how does it feel? It is rough, and we know that when the surface is rough, that means the surface is irregular. So on irregular surfaces, always diffused reflection takes place. Clear everyone? So student, chalk powder spread on a surface is an example of an irregular surface. It is not smooth. Therefore, diffused reflection will take place from chalk powder. Is it clear to everyone? Move to the next one, and the next one is cardboard surface. सब बच्चों ने कार्डबोर्ड देखा है, वो गत्ता देखा है ना. अब वो क्या स्मूथ होता है? नहीं, वो इतना स्मूथ नहीं होता है, खुरदरा होता है, रफ होता है, isn't it? So, if the surface is rough, not a smooth, then diffused reflection will take place. Clear everybody? So, cardboard surface is also an example of irregular surface, hence diffuse reflection will take place from a cardboard surface. Is it clear everyone? Next one is marble floor with water spread over it. देखो, सबसे पहले तो मार्बल फ्लोर, और हमें पता है मार्बल फ्लोर कैसा होता है? स्मूथ. उसके ऊपर भी क्या है? वाटर स्प्रेड कर दिया है. Clear everybody? So it make it more smooth. So what type of reflection takes place here? Obvious है, regular reflection. Clear everyone? So here we will write marble floor with water spread over it is an example of a regular surface. This is because water makes a marble surface smooth. Hence, regular reflection will take place from the surface. I hope it is clear. अब next देखते हैं. Very easy. Mirror. We know that mirror is the smooth surface. Clear everyone? So here regular reflection will take place. Okay. Mirror has smooth surface, therefore it will give a regular reflection. And the last one, piece of paper. Yes. देखो ये वाला थोड़ा सा है ना confusing हो सकता है. देखो बच्चा, हमें पता है पेपर स्मूथ होता है, बट हियर वी आर यूजिंग द पीस ऑफ पेपर. हमें स्मूथ लगता है बट इट इज अनइवन. क्लियर एवरीबॉडी? सो हियर द रिफ्लेक्शन इज diffused reflection. Although a piece of paper may look smooth, but it has many irregularities on its surface. Due to this reason, this will give diffused reflection. I hope everybody it is clear that on which surface regular reflection, on which surface diffuse reflection will take place. Okay, move to the next question. State the laws of reflection. It is the easiest one and the important one. We know that there are two laws of reflection. Clear everybody? So first one is the angle of reflection is always equals to the angle of incidence. That is, angle I is always equal to angle R. समझ में आ गया? Second one, the incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal to the reflective surfaces at the point of incidence all lies in the same plane. Clear? Easiest one, सबको समझ में आ गया? So move to the next question, and next question is question number 5. Describe an activity show that the incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal at the point of incidence lie in the same plane. हमने chapter में भी ये exercise, ये activity किया था. So it is very easy. Clear everybody? So students, I'm just reading that one and you have to draw the diagrams also with this. Okay? It will make easy to understand. Place a plane mirror on a table, take a paper sheet and make a small hole in its center. Have a look like this, okay? Make sure that the light in the room is not bright. Yes, देखो ये हमेशा ध्यान रखना, जब भी हम लाइट से रिलेटेड कोई एक्सपेरिमेंट्स करते हैं, कोई एक्टिविटीज़ करते हैं, तो हमारी जो रूम का जो लाइट होता है, इट शुड नॉट बी सो ब्राइट. क्लियर एवरीबडी? बिकॉज हमें देखना क्या है, हमें रिफ्लेक्शंस ऑब्जर्व करने हैं, हमें रेज ऑब्जर्व करनी है. क्लियर एवरीवन? ओके. फर्दर, होल्ड द शीट नॉर्मल टू द टेबल, टेक अनदर शीट एंड प्लेस इट ऑन द टेबल इन कॉन्टैक्ट विद द वर्टिकल मिरर. क्लियर? ड्रॉ अ नॉर्मल लाइन ऑन द सेकेंड शीट फ्रॉम द मिरर. ओके, हैव अ लुक. Now, light a torch on the mirror through the small hole such that the ray of light falls on the normal at the bottom of the mirror. Clear everybody? समझ में आ रहा है? Further, when the ray from this hole is incident on the mirror, it gets reflected in a certain direction. You can easily observe the incident ray, reflected ray and the normal to the mirror at the point of incidence on the sheet placed on the table. Have a look again on the diagram. This is your incident, this is your reflected and here is your, this one is your normal. So ये सारे की सारे कहाँ हैं? On the same plane. Clear everybody? This shows that the incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal to the surface at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. So it is very easy exercise, easy activity. Clear everybody? You can perform this one at your home. Clear? Move to the next question, and next question is fill in the blank, and fill in the blanks are the easiest one. So read the first one. A person 1 meter in front of a plane mirror seems to be dash meter away from his image. देखो क्लास 8 हमने कहा था ये आपका मिरर, ठीक है, और ये मिरर के सामने आप यहाँ पर. क्लियर एवरीबॉडी? हम ये कहते हैं कि जो प्लेन मिरर होता है उसका इमेज वर्चुअल होता है, ठीक है. दैट मीन्स कि इमेज विल बी फॉर्म हियर. क्लियर एवरीबॉडी? अब क्वेश्चन क्या पूछ रहा है? अ पर्सन इज 1 मीटर इन फ्रंट ऑफ अ प्लेन मिरर. सो दिस डिस्टेंस, दिस इज योर प्लेन मिरर, इट इज 1 मीटर. क्लियर? seems to be dash meter away from his image. अब इसकी इमेज कहाँ है? यहाँ पर. सो तो ये डिस्टेंस पे कितना होगा? 1 मीटर. अब आपसे ये पूछ रहा है कि ये अपनी इमेज से कितनी दूरी पर होगा, तो ऑब्वियस सी बात है 1 मीटर हियर एंड 1 मीटर बिहाइंड दैट मिरर. सो द आंसर विल बी 2 मीटर. क्लियर एवरीवन? रीड द नेक्स्ट वन. इफ यू टच योर डैश ईयर with right hand in front of a plane mirror, it will seen in the mirror that your right ear is touched with, yes, it is the lateral inversion. Clear everybody? हमने 7th में भी पढ़ा था, हमने हमारे इस चैप्टर में भी पढ़ा है. So the answer is if you touch your left ear. So fill here left ear with right hand in front of a plane mirror, it will be seen in the mirror that your right ear is touched with left hand. Clear everyone? Understood? Move to the next fill in the blank. The size of the pupil becomes dash when you see in dim light. Yes. जब हमारे आसपास अंधेरा होता है, कम लाइट होती है, तो हमारी आई पिपल क्या करती हैं? दे बिकम ब्रॉड, लार्ज हो जाती हैं. सो द साइज ऑफ द पिपल बिकम लार्ज. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट वन. Night birds have dash cones than rods in their eyes. Obvious सी बात है, क्या कम होंगे अगर नाइट बर्ड्स हैं तो? Clear? They have lesser cones than rods in their eyes. Clear? Move to the next question, and next question is choose the correct option. Okay. Angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. Is it always? Sometimes. Under special conditions? Never. It is always. So option A is correct. Okay. Next question. Image formed by a plane mirror is virtual. Yes. Behind the mirror and enlarged. Not enlarged. Virtual, behind the mirror and of the same size as the object. Yes. Real at the surface of the mirror and enlarged. No. Real, behind the mirror and of the same size as the object, but it is not real. All are true. So the option B is correct. Image formed by a plane mirror is always virtual, behind the mirror and of the same size as the object. Clear everybody? Move to the next question. Next question है, describe the construction of a kaleidoscope, and it is again the very easy one which we already had discussed in our chapter. So student, construction of a kaleidoscope is very easy. What is the steps we have to write? 3 rectangular mirror strips of dimensions 15 centimeter into 4 centimeter, and that is understood, that is length into width, are joined together to form a prism. Have a look like this. ठीक है, आपको 3 rectangular strips लेनी है, उनको इस तरह जोड़ना है कि आप एक prism बना सकें, like this. Okay, this prism is fixed into a circular cardboard tube. ठीक है, आपको एक circular cardboard tube लेना है, उसमें उसको fix करना है. Clear? The circular cardboard tube should be slightly longer than the prism. ये ध्यान रखना, it should be longer than the prism. This circular tube is now closed at one end with a cardboard disc. Have a look here, like this. This disc has a hole in it through which we can see. Okay, हम जिसके through देख सकें. Clear? At the other end of the circular tube, a plain glass plate is fixed. Clear? It is important that this glass plate touches the prism mirrors. Clear everybody? Okay? On this glass plate, several small and broken pieces of colored glasses are placed. मैंने बताया भी था, हम इसकी जगह जो कांच की जो चूड़ियाँ होती हैं, हम उनके टुकड़े भी ले सकते हैं. Clear? This end is now closed by a round glass plate, allowing enough space for the colored glass pieces to move. Is it clear everyone? This is your simple kaleidoscope that you can prepare at your home. Okay? अब हम बात करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. Draw a labeled sketch of the human eye. हमारी प्यारी सी आँखें, सुंदर सी आँखें. So how they look from the inside? Student, it's very easy. This is the simple diagram of human eye. Clear? आपको सिंपल सी बात है, डायग्राम बनाना है, और हमेशा ध्यान रखिए साइंस के अंदर डायग्राम शुड बी लेबल. Clear everybody? So students, here this part is iris and this broader part which is white in color, it is the lens, and outside it that blackish color one is your pupil, and outer side of that is cornea. Clear everybody? And they all are attached. Here we are having muscles which we call ciliary muscles. अब हम बात करते हैं the behind part of the human eye. Here we are having retina where the image formation takes place, and here the nerves, the optic nerves are there. Clear? This is the simple diagram. यहाँ पे इन्होंने हमसे explanation नहीं पूछा है, they only asked to draw the label diagram of human eye. So I hope everybody can draw the diagram properly. Move to the next question. Gurmeet wanted to perform activity 16.8 using a laser torch. बच्चा ध्यान दीजिए, they are focusing on the laser torch. Her teacher advised her not to do so. Can you explain the basis of the teacher's advice? Yes, we can. बहुत easy है ये तो. भाई laser torch कितना harmful है आइस के लिए, इसलिए टीचर मना कर रही है. Clear? So student, laser light is harmful for the human eyes because its intensity is very high. It can cause damage to the retina and lead to blindness. Hence, it is advisable not to look at a laser beam directly. Clear everyone? Simple सा answer है. Okay. Next question. Explain how you can take care of your eyes. देखो बच्चा, कहते हैं आँखें हैं तो जहान है. Clear everybody? तो simple, there are small tips that we have to follow in our life to take care of our eyes. सबसे पहली बात तो देखो, अगर आपके पास डॉक्टर ने बोल रखा है चश्मा लगाना है तो प्लीज़ चश्मा लगाइए हमेशा. ऐसा नहीं कि नहीं मुझे नहीं लगाना है, मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है, सिर्फ पढ़ूंगा तभी लगाऊंगा, वो मतलब टीवी देखूंगा तभी लगाऊंगा. क्लियर एवरीवन? सो स्टूडेंट्स, to protect our eyes, the given point should be taken into account. First one, visit an eye specialist regularly. Clearly. ठीक है? Avoid reading in dim light and very bright light. बहुत कम लाइट में और बहुत तेज़ लाइट दोनों ही हमारी आँखों के लिए हार्मफुल हैं. Avoid direct exposure of sunlight to the eye. Yes, सीधे सन को नहीं देखने का है. समझ में आ रहा है? जब भी हम कभी इक्लिप्सिस को देखते हैं सा, ठीक है, तब भी हम क्या करते हैं, डायरेक्ट नहीं देखते हैं ना. तो सन को तो कभी भी डायरेक्ट देखना ही नहीं चाहिए. क्लियर? Clean your eyes with cold water quickly if dust particle or small insect enter your eyes. देखो, जब बसंत वाला सीज़न चलता है तब वो ब्लैक कलर की छोटे छोटे इंसेक्ट्स जिनको आप चेपा कहते हो आपकी आँख में चला भी जाता है. तो what you have to do? You have to clean your eyes with cold water. Do not rub your eyes. ठीक है, आँखों को मसलना नहीं चाहिए, जो हमारी सबसे बेकार आदत है. ठीक है? Maintain a distance of at least 25 centimeter between the book and your eyes while reading, while writing. ठीक है? मैं तो कई बार टोकती हूँ मेरी क्लास में बच्चों को कि बच्चा प्लीज़ मेंटेन अ डिस्टेंस ऑफ 25 सेंटीमीटर एट लीस्ट बिटवीन यू एंड योर बुक. बच्चे यूँ करके पढ़ते हैं, यूँ करके लिखते हैं. नो, दिस इज़ नॉट अ गुड हैबिट. क्लियर? अभी हमें पता नहीं चलता है, बट बच्चा जब हम इसको रेगुलर इसी मतलब पॉस्चर में अगर पढ़ते रहते हैं, लिखते रहते हैं, तो इट लीड्स टू द हार्मफुल इफेक्ट. क्लियर एवरीवन? मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, एंड नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज द एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस ऑफ अ रे इफ reflected ray is at an angle of 90 degree, okay, to the incident ray. Very important and very easy one. देखो, ऐसे न्यूमेरिकल्स तो easy हैं और आ भी सकते हैं. ठीक है? If the reflected ray is at the angle of 90 degree to the incident ray, clear? Then the angle of incidence is 45 degree. Obvious सी बात है. According to the law of reflection, the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. So students, therefore the angle of incidence and the angle of reflection both are 45 degree because they will be divided by 90 divided by 2, and finally we will get 45 degree, and angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of reflection. Khatam? Move to the next question. How many images of a candle will be formed if it is placed between two plain parallel mirrors separated by 40 centimeter? ये हमने जब एक्टिविटी की थी तब हमने ये सॉर्ट आउट किया था कितनी बनेंगी इमेजेस, इन्फिनाइट. क्लियर? Infinity or multiple images of the candle will be formed because of the multiple reflection between the mirrors. Clear everyone? When two mirrors are placed parallel to each other, then infinite numbers of images are formed. This is the important clause. Okay? Move to the next question, and next question is question number 15. Two mirrors meet at right angles. Okay, a ray of light is incident on one at angle of 30 degree. Clear? As shown in the figure. Okay, draw the reflected ray from the second mirror. Class 8, we are having two mirror, number 1 and number 2. अब number 1 वाले mirror पे हमें क्या दी हुई है? Incident ray. Clear everybody? This one is the incident one. Clear? समझ में आ रहा है? अब ये वाली रे जब इस मिरर पर इंसिडेंट होती है तो ये इंसिडेंट होके रिफ्लेक्ट कहाँ होगी? ऑब्वियस सी बात है, सेकंड वाले मिरर पे. क्लियर? सो हियर वी आर यूजिंग द फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन. ठीक है? सो स्टूडेंट्स, द फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन इज यूज्ड टू ऑब्टेन द पाथ ऑफ द reflected light. It can be observed that the given ray of light will reflect from the second mirror at an angle of 60 degree. अब कैसे करेगा? Have a look here. This is your incident. ठीक है? जो 30 डिग्री पे है. This is बच्चा normal. ठीक है? जब ये लाइट इंसिडेंट करेगी नंबर 1 मिरर पे, then it will reflect. ठीक है, हमें पता है एंगल I इज इक्वल्स टू एंगल R, सो इट विल रिफ्लेक्ट लाइक दिस. समझ में आ गया? जैसे ही ये यहाँ रिफ्लेक्ट करेगी देन इट विल बिकम इंसिडेंट रे. क्लियर? जो फर्स्ट मिरर की रिफ्लेक्टेड रे थी वो सेकेंड मिरर के लिए इंसिडेंट रे का काम करेगी. क्लियर एवरीवन? अब ये दोनों के दोनों मिरर एक दूसरे के क्या हैं? परपेंडिकुलर हैं. सो हियर द 90 डिग्री एंगल विल बी फॉर्म. क्लियर एवरीबॉडी? और इस 90 डिग्री के एंगल में ये कितने का है? 30 डिग्री का. सो द रिमेनिंग एंगल इज 60. सो स्टूडेंट, दिस reflected ray of the first mirror will be the incident ray of the second mirror, and here the reflected ray is this one, and which will form at the degree of 60 degree, because we know that angle I is always equals to angle R. Is it clear everyone? I hope the question is clear. Move to the next question. Bujo stands at A, okay, just on the side of a plane mirror as shown in the figure. Okay, this is the plane mirror and here the Bujo. Can he see himself in the mirror? Okay. Also, can he see the image of the object situated at P, Q और R? देखो बच्चा, सबसे पहले उसकी पोजीशन की बात करते हैं. जब भी हम प्लेन मिरर की बात करते हैं, अगर प्लेन मिरर के सामने कोई ऑब्जेक्ट होता है तो उसका इमेज फॉर्मेशन उसके पीछे होता है. वी नो दैट. बट हियर द साइज ऑफ द मिरर इज नॉट सो लॉन्ग. सो द बूजो क्या है? इसके सामने ही नहीं आ पा रहा है. अब सामने ही नहीं है तो इमेज फॉर्मेशन कैसे होगा? क्लियर एवरीबॉडी? सो स्टूडेंट्स, अ प्लेन मिरर फॉर्म्स अ वर्चुअल इमेज बिहाइंड द मिरर. The image is far behind the mirror as the object is in the front of it. A cannot see his image because the length of the mirror is too short on his side. समझ में आ गया? कांच का जो आपका मिरर है उसका साइज छोटा है, उसके सामने वो आ ही नहीं पा रहा है. However, he can see the objects placed at point P and Q, but cannot see the object placed at the point R as shown in the figure. Have a look on the figure. Simple सा अपना ये था. A बूझो, P, Q and R. इसका इमेज नहीं बन सकता क्योंकि हमारे मिरर का लेंथ ही कम था. ठीक है, लेकिन बनेगा, बनेगा, इसका नहीं बनेगा। सो बूझो अपनी इमेज नहीं देख सकता, बट ही इज एबल टू सी द इमेज ऑफ पी क्यू, आर का भी नहीं। अगेन द रीजन इज सेम। Clear everyone? Move to the next question, and next question is the last one, question number 17. Find out the position of the image of an object situated at A in the plane mirror. Okay, have a look on the image. This is the point A जहाँ पर एक object है X. Clear? Can पहेली at B see this image? Yes, देख सकती है। Can बूझो at C this image? Yes, वो भी देख सकता है। When पहेली moves from B to C, okay, where does the image of A moves? उसकी इमेज क्यों मूव करेगी? उसकी इमेज तो मूव नहीं करेगी। So students, let's talk about the solution. देखो, first one is what? First question is that find out the position of the image of an object which is placed at the point of A. Clear? The image of object placed at A is formed behind the mirror. We already know that. ठीक है? The distance of the image from the mirror is equal to the distance of A from the mirror. Yes. The image of A is formed, is shown in the given figure. Have a look here. ठीक है? This is your plane mirror. B position, C position, and here it is your A position जहाँ पर आपका X place है। ठीक है? इसकी इमेज बनेगी the image of object at A. Clear? अब हमारे B, C और D क्वेश्चंस आते हैं। हमारा जो B क्वेश्चन था वो क्या था? Can पहेली at B see this image? Yes, देख सकती है। So our answer is yes, पहेली at B can see this image. हमारा C क्वेश्चन क्या था? क्या बूझो उसको C पॉइंट से देख सकता है? Yes, बूझो at C can see this image. Clear everybody? लास्ट हमारा ये था कि अगर बूझो और पहेली अपनी पोजीशंस चेंज कर लेते हैं तो ए का जो इमेज है वो कहाँ फॉर्म होगा? सो स्टूडेंट, द इमेज ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट ए विल नॉट मूव, इट विल रिमेन सेम at the same position when paheli moves from B to C. Clear? So students of class 8, with this question, the exercise part of this chapter ends here. Write down all the question answers of this chapter in your science notebook or register and learn them. We will again meet in the next video of the next chapter. Till then, take care everybody and thank you.